Macroeconomics Overview. Explore the vital indicators like GDP, inflation, and unemployment that shape our economy. Hey everyone! Today we are kicking things off with macroeconomics, which is basically the big picture of how the economy works. Instead of zooming in on individual people or businesses, macroeconomics looks at the economy as a whole. It covers the big stuff like GDP, aka how much stuff a country produces, inflation, why prices rise, and unemployment rates, why some people can't find jobs. And the coolest part? It helps answer some pretty important questions like why do some countries thrive while others struggle? What happens when governments mess with taxes and spending? In short, it's like the economy's blueprint, helping us understand the forces that make or break entire nations. Sound good? Let's dive deeper. Learning objectives. Key insights and skills to master macroeconomic concepts. 1. Understand key macroeconomic concepts. Grasp fundamental terms and theories essential to macroeconomics. This objective aims to familiarize you with the basic building blocks of macroeconomics, such as understanding concepts like supply and demand, national income, and economic growth. Mastering these terms is essential for building a strong foundation to analyze larger economic systems. To analyze economic indicators. Evaluate how indicators like GDP and inflation influence economic health. In this step, you will learn to evaluate the key indicators that shape economies, like gross domestic product, GDP, inflation rates, and unemployment. Understanding these indicators allows you to predict economic trends and assess the health of economies, both at a national and global level. 3. Discuss monetary policy trends. Explore recent shifts in monetary policy and their broader impacts. Monetary policy involves decisions by central banks regarding interest rates and money supply. This objective will guide you through recent trends and shifts in policy, helping you see how such changes affect not just economies, but daily life from mortgage rates to job creation. 4. Appreciate global economic interconnectedness. Recognize how global economies interact and affect each other. In a world that is more connected than ever, economies no longer operate in isolation. This objective helps you grasp how international trade, foreign investments, and global supply chains bind economies together, making the performance of one nation have ripple effects across the world. Each objective works together to give you a comprehensive understanding of how economies function on both a local and global scale, preparing you to interpret economic events and policies. Economic performance. Understanding GDP. An insight into the total economic output and its significance. Definition of GDP. Gross domestic product quantifies a country's total economic output, reflecting its economic strength. GDP, or gross domestic product, is a core measure of a nation's economic performance. It represents the total monetary value of all goods and services produced within a country over a specific period. A higher GDP generally signals a stronger and more productive economy. Current global GDP. As of 2024, the global GDP is estimated at around $100 trillion, indicating vast economic activity worldwide. The world's collective economic output in 2024 is projected to be an astounding $100 trillion. This massive figure highlights the scale of global economic activity and the interdependence of national economies across the globe. Key components. GDP is driven by consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports, shaping economic dynamics. GDP is influenced by 4 main factors: consumption, that is spending by households; investment, that is capital put into businesses and infrastructure; government spending; and net exports, that is a value of exports minus imports. These components determine how wealth is generated and distributed across the economy. GDP growth rate. A growth rate of 3% is viewed as healthy, signifying robust economic performance and stability. A steady GDP growth rate of around 3% is considered optimal for a healthy economy. It reflects a balance between expansion and stability, ensuring that inflation and unemployment remain under control while fostering long-term development. By understanding these aspects of GDP, one gains insight into a country's economic health and its ability to generate wealth, which in turn affects everything from employment to government policy. Inflation insights. Inflation, causes and effects. Understanding inflation's impact on the economy and society. Current inflation rate. The U.S. inflation rate stands at 4.5% in 2024, indicating economic trends. As of 2024, the inflation rate in the U.S. stands at 4.5%. This figure offers a snapshot of the economy's overall price level increases. A moderate level of inflation indicates a growing economy, but persistent inflation can erode purchasing power. Demand pull inflation occurs when demand for goods exceeds supply, pushing prices up. This form of inflation arises when demand for goods and services outstrips supply, creating upward pressure on prices. It's commonly seen in booming economies where consumer and business demand grows faster than production capacity. Cost push inflation results from rising production costs, leading to higher prices for consumers. When the costs of production increase, example, due to higher wages, raw material prices, or energy costs, businesses often pass these costs on to consumers in the form of higher prices, which leads to cost-push inflation. Built-in inflation. This type occurs due to adaptive expectations, where wages and prices rise together. Built-in inflation occurs when both wages and prices increase in tandem, driven by the expectation that inflation will persist. Workers demand higher wages to keep up with rising living costs, and businesses increase prices to cover wage hikes, creating a feedback loop. Erosion of purchasing power. Inflation decreases the value of money, affecting consumer purchasing ability. Inflation directly reduces the value of money, meaning consumers can buy less with the same amount of money. This devalues savings over time and can force consumers to cut back on spending or demand higher wages. Impact on savings and investments. High inflation can deter savings and alter investment strategies, affecting future wealth. High inflation rates can have a negative impact on personal savings and investment returns. The purchasing power of saved money declines over time, making long-term financial planning more challenging, and inflation-adjusted returns may shrink. By understanding the causes and effects of inflation, individuals and businesses can better anticipate its impact on their financial decisions and adjust their strategies accordingly. Unemployment insights, unemployment rates and types. Current unemployment rate. The U.S. unemployment rate stands at 5.1% in 2024, reflecting ongoing economic trends. This statistic gives a snapshot of the national economic health, with the unemployment rate indicating the percentage of people who are actively seeking work but unable to find employment. A 5.1% unemployment rate suggests moderate joblessness in the economy, signaling potential areas for policy intervention or economic improvement. Frictional unemployment. This type is short-term and transitional, often occurring when individuals are entering the workforce. Frictional unemployment refers to temporary periods when people are between jobs or entering the labor market for the first time. It's a natural part of the economy, often seen when new graduates look for their first jobs or when someone switches careers. Structural unemployment arises from a mismatch between skills and job requirements, often due to technological changes. This kind of unemployment happens when there is a disconnect between the skills workers possess and what employers need. Advances in technology or shifts in industries can lead to structural unemployment, as workers' qualifications become outdated for modern job markets. Cyclical unemployment. Linked to economic downturns, it reflects reduced demand for labor during recessions. Cyclical unemployment is tied to the business cycle. In times of economic contraction or recession, businesses reduce production, leading to job cuts. This type of unemployment typically rises during economic downturns and falls when the economy recovers. Impact on economy. High unemployment can lower GDP and increase government spending on social programs. Unemployment has broader economic effects. When a significant portion of the population is unemployed, it lowers overall production and can slow down economic growth. At the same time, government resources are often strained, as spending on social welfare programs like unemployment benefits increases to support those out of work. Each type of unemployment paints a different picture of the challenges in the labor market, helping policymakers and economists craft more effective strategies to address unemployment and boost economic resilience. Interest rate trends, monetary policy overview. 2019 interest rate 2.25%. In 2019, the interest rate stood at 2.25%, reflecting a relatively moderate approach to managing inflation and economic growth. Central banks often maintain interest rates around this level to prevent the economy from overheating while ensuring stable borrowing and lending activity. 2020 interest rate 0.25%. In response to the global economic challenges caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the interest rate was dramatically slashed to 0.25% in 2020. This reduction was part of an aggressive monetary policy to stimulate the economy by making borrowing cheaper, encouraging both consumer spending and business investments in a time of crisis. 2021 interest rate 0.25%. The central bank maintained the 0.25% rate through 2021, signaling a continued focus on recovery. The low rate aimed to provide ongoing economic support as many countries grappled with the lingering effects of the pandemic. 2022 interest rate 0.75%. In 2022, interest rates began to rise slightly, reaching 0.75%. This increase indicated that the economy was starting to recover, prompting central banks to begin withdrawing some of the extreme measures that had been put in place during the pandemic. However, the rate remained low enough to encourage economic growth. 2023 interest rate 1.75%. By 2023, the interest rate rose to 1.75%, reflecting a more significant tightening of monetary policy. This upward shift often occurs in response to rising inflation or the need to cool off an economy that may be growing too quickly. Higher interest rates tend to reduce borrowing and spending, which helps keep inflation in check. 2024 interest rate 3%. The forecast for 2024 shows an interest rate increase to 3%, signaling a robust move to manage inflation. A higher interest rate can slow down inflation but may also have the effect of reducing consumer and business spending due to higher borrowing costs. Central banks walk a fine line, trying to balance growth with price stability. This chart reflects the monetary policy strategy over recent years, showing the response to extraordinary events like the pandemic and a gradual tightening as economies recover. The rising interest rates toward 2024 suggest efforts to combat inflation while aiming for a more sustainable long-term growth path. Economic trends, global economic trends. Sustainable growth focus. There is a significant shift towards sustainable economic practices, prioritizing environmental health alongside economic performance. In 2024, There is a growing emphasis on sustainability in economic planning. This trend sees countries and companies balancing economic growth with environmental preservation, integrating green technologies, and adopting practices that support long-term ecological health. This reflects a broader global movement towards reducing carbon footprints and protecting natural resources while maintaining economic progress. Protectionism in trade. Countries are increasingly adopting protectionist measures, which could alter global trade dynamics and impact international relations. The rise of protectionism in trade, where countries impose tariffs or other barriers to safeguard domestic industries, is reshaping the global economy. These policies, while protecting local markets, may strain international trade relations and disrupt established supply chains, leading to more complex trade negotiations and potential economic friction between countries. Technological advancements. Innovations in technology are enhancing productivity across sectors, leading to efficiency gains and economic transformation. Technology continues to be a powerful driver of economic change in 2024. From artificial intelligence to automation, new innovations are revolutionizing industries by increasing productivity and efficiency. These advancements not only streamline operations but also pave the way for new economic opportunities, creating a more connected and technologically driven global market. Impact on developing economies. Developing economies are experiencing changes in investment flows and trade patterns, necessitating adaptive economic strategies. Developing countries are facing new challenges and opportunities due to shifts in global trade and investment patterns. As capital flows evolve, these economies must adapt by implementing strategic policies to attract foreign investment and integrate into changing trade networks. This process could offer growth potential but also requires navigating global economic uncertainties. Economic indicators. Case study. Kazakhstan's economy. GDP growth, 4.2%. The gross domestic product growth rate of 4.2% indicates that Kazakhstan's economy is expanding. This means the total value of all goods and services produced in the country has increased by 4.2% over the specified period. A higher GDP growth rate generally signifies a healthy and growing economy, which can lead to more job opportunities and improved living standards for the population. Inflation rate, 6.0%. The inflation rate of 6.0% reflects the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. This means that, on average, prices have increased by 6% over the period. While moderate inflation is normal in a growing economy, a higher rate can erode purchasing power, making everyday items more expensive for consumers. It's crucial for policymakers to manage inflation to ensure it doesn't negatively impact the economy. Unemployment rate, 4.8%. The unemployment rate of 4.8% measures the percentage of the labor force that is actively seeking employment but unable to find work. A lower unemployment rate typically indicates a robust job market and economic stability. However, it's important to consider the quality of jobs and whether they provide adequate wages and benefits. Economic challenges. Challenges facing macroeconomics. Exploring key economic hurdles in today's landscape. Economic disparities, wealth inequality. Wealth inequality is on the rise, affecting social stability and economic growth. Shows as their strength. Wealth inequality is a pressing global issue, yet addressing this challenge could lead to stronger social cohesion and sustainable growth. A focus on reducing inequality can build a more stable economy by empowering marginalized groups, fostering innovation, and enhancing productivity. Geopolitical tensions, trade wars. Ongoing trade wars and geopolitical conflicts disrupt global market dynamics. Shows W as weakness. Geopolitical uncertainties, such as trade wars, create instability in global markets. These tensions increase the cost of doing business and disrupt supply chains, limiting global cooperation and economic expansion. To mitigate these weaknesses, policymakers must focus on diplomatic solutions and long-term trade agreements. Sustainability issues, environmental concerns. The challenge lies in achieving economic growth while addressing sustainability issues. Shows O as opportunity. The growing demand for environmentally responsible practices is an opportunity to innovate and transition toward green economies. Addressing sustainability not only helps mitigate environmental damage but also spurs new industries and technologies, positioning economies to thrive in a more eco-conscious future. Economic disparities, wealth inequality. Wealth inequality is on the rise, affecting social stability and economic growth. Shows T as threat. Unchecked wealth inequality poses a threat to societal stability and long-term economic prosperity. Rising disparities can fuel social unrest and weaken trust in institutions, potentially destabilizing the economic framework. Bridging the wealth gap is crucial to avoiding such a threat and ensuring inclusive growth. These 4 points highlight the complex macroeconomic landscape, where challenges also present opportunities for transformative growth. Balancing geopolitical, environmental, and social concerns is key to navigating the economic future. Conclusion and call to action. Macroeconomics may seem like a complex puzzle, but it's the key to unlocking sustainable, inclusive growth in an ever-evolving world. From tackling wealth inequality to navigating trade wars and embracing environmental responsibility, every challenge presents an opportunity to innovate. So, why wait? Dive into macroeconomic indicators and empower your decisions today, because in the world of economics, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit.